Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. We are happy that the government have eased the lockdown, and I'm pleased to inform all of you guys that we have commenced nationwide delivery of all our goods and services. So right here before me are some of the order that we have to deliver, and as you can see, we have some pellet machine in here. We have the size 32 pellet machine, which you can otherwise use as manual machine, or you can also attach engine to it. We have two of it in here. We also have the size 42 pellet machine that is here, and this particular one we are sending it across to Abia State, while one of these size 32 we are sending it across to one of these is going to Abuja, Etama, Abuja, and then while one of these is going to Delta State. Also, we have this engine. This is a bigger capacity engine, bigger than the type you use in grinding, using blending. So most of this you won't see it anywhere, but we do buy this so that this can actually drive the size 42. So this is the engine that drives both the pellet machine together with the grinder. This is the blender to grind your raw materials to powder form before sending it down here to pelletize. So we want to use this opportunity to say thank you for all of you for staying with us during this lockdown, and then and also for your prayers and support. A lot of people make their order. This order you see here, some of these were being paid before the lockdown, so we just have to ensure we send them across. And I tell you, once now that the lockdown is over, it has returned to 5 days of delivery immediate after payment. So anytime you make your order again within Nigeria, you get this within 5 days after payment, unlike what it was during the lockdown. So thank you very much. I tell you, I love you guys, and I wish you success. For those of you that have earth pond across in the swampy area, please endeavor to protect your pond in order for it not to overflow. It's the rainy season is here again, and there's gonna be flood as usual. So please don't sleep and then forget that you have something in the farm. Ensure you protect the fishes in the farm so that they don't escape into the swamp. Okay, and for those of you that have a concrete pond, please whenever you take off your fish after harvest, endeavor to clean up everything and sterilize your pond before restocking. And as a new farmer, please don't go for those tiny fish. Some people sell fries and they call it fingerlings. Don't go for those fish at all. Endeavor you get your post fingerlings, or you get your juvenile if you're a beginner. Don't start with the smaller ones. If not, it will actually affect you and you actually regret. So I can't wait to do business with you in case you've not done any business with us. This is a genuine channel, and a lot of people have done business with us. You have nothing to fear. First Fish Academy is registered with Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. Even our account is registered with together is a registered our account when we send to you is comes with the account name First Fish Academy. So you have nothing to be scared. You have nothing to worry. We are genuine, and we've been doing this, and I tell you, we are if you have not yet done anything with us, please endeavor to book a date and to book some of this machine with us. Don't forget, having this machine will actually help you in your farm, help you cut the cost of feeding, therefore maximizing profit. It will help you cut your cost of feeding by 50%. This is something that you need if you want to actually make profit in your farm. So I can't wait. I'm waiting for your order. Thank you very much. Okay, to know or to see how this machine is operated, or to see how it works, we're going to drop the link in our description below this video. So you just click, you are going to see the link, or you can check up here and then you're going to see the link. Then just click to see how this machine is being operated and how it works, including both the manual one and other ones that is being attached to engine. So thank you very much for checking on our channel once again, and for making this channel your most preferred channel on YouTube as regards fish farming. Don't forget, on this channel we have a lot of videos on how to treat your fish, videos on how to make your fish feed, as these are the machines. There are other machines. We have a lot of machines. We have extruder in case you want to pick up extruder to produce your floating feed. Those ones are for the bigger boys, as I usually say. But for you as a small scale fish farmer, please, this one is not too expensive for you. You can call us to check on the price. We'll tell you it's not that expensive for you compared to the feed that you buy to feed your fish. Once you get this, automatically you slash your cost of feeding by 50%. So we are waiting for your call. Our number is on the screen, or you can also check the description button. You're going to see our number and also our email. You can mail us, you can call us. And for those of you that have called us or have sent messages to us through Facebook, or through WhatsApp or email, we've been attending to messages, just that we may have not have come across your own message yet, but I tell you, we're going to reply you. But if you know that we've not yet replied you and you want us to see your message again, just send us a message again, so that your message will come to the front line in our system, so we can reply you immediately. Thank you very much. We love you. This is Fish Academy. One love.